What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this channel. This time, I'm going to share with you a new work. But before beginning, I just want to look back at my old work in 2019. That year, I made my first video and first work on this channel, because this is my first time making a video, so there were many places which were rough and needed to improve. Nowadays it is 2022. During this year, I got a 3D printer and made more videos, so I think I had more experience and it's time to upgrade my first work on this channel. This video will have 4 parts, and those parts will have their corresponding time in the video as well. You just can click the timeline and skip to whatever you are interested in. Alright, let's come back to see today's project list. This time, I built this blaster with a 3D printer and cardboard. The 3D printer can print small parts very well at first. I was planning to make a 3D painted blaster and all of their parts were 3D painted parts, but unfortunately, I had to change something. Because the size of the blaster's body is too large, so I had to find another way to make this body. Finally, I chose the classical material, cardboard. Before, I didn't have a 3D printer. Cardboard was always the material that I used most frequently, and cardboard also is easy to process. When I got every part and mixed it up, I was very excited that every part could work, and just like what I planned, because the original Flintlock Musket in the old time has a detail that pulling a hammer needed to stay half-cocked and full-cocked. So this is the point which I wanted to realize. Finally, it is likely not bad. This is the bullet of this musket blaster. Its size is the same as the bullet of my pump action blaster. I planned that my bullet can move inside the barrel and eject off very smoothly, but the result is that it's too smooth. I wanted to stop something, just like a piece of tissue, and use the old way of putting a piece of something into the barrel. However, it looked like my blaster was not working well. I think the reason is that rubber bands do not have enough power to push the bullet and the piece of tissue out, and it results in something jamming inside the barrel. Besides that point, because the blaster has some cardboard parts, and those cardboard parts were cut by hand, so there were several millimeters margin of error, and the cardboard parts are not stronger than the 3D painted part. Finally, when I tested this blaster, the bolt couldn't be hooked smoothly, and I had to press it when the bolt was pushed into its position. So now, it looks likely there are something which needs to improve next time. Alright, let's talk about how I make this blaster. Firstly, I made a 3D model, and here I always use design part to make the 3D model. After getting the 3D model, we can export the STL files and prepare to paint those parts. And now, I will show you guys some data when I paint those parts. time, I made this blaster's body from cardboard and I have uploaded this template on
Thingiverse.
And this template is the picture and its printing side is A4 paper. In addition, here is the extra important points when putting them together. We need first to fix the Cooper knots in order to ensure the connection points are in their right position, and then install the blaster's body. And here is the side of my knots and screws. Okay, so that's today's video, and if you like this video, please press your thumb up button and subscribe. See you next time.